This gym was all planned back in 2019, and then obviously we had the COVID experience, which wasn't a great one. During that time was when I decided to really invest on the air conditioning, and I wanted to find a system that could protect my members and my staff. So I did a lot of extensive research once COVID was around, and it was like, right, I need to make sure this place is safe. What's the best way of doing that? So I looked at air conditioning, and then I also discovered Airius. And I was just impressed. I just couldn't find anything else out there that was similar. FTSE 100 companies were in there that have also been using the technology as well. So I thought, well, it's good enough for them. It's definitely good enough for this gym and for me. Obviously, I changed the colour to black, so it's very hard to see in here. So I didn't want it to be white, it could just stick out too much. Yeah, but it was a very simple process, to be fair, and very expertly done. Extremely, extremely easy. It's, I've got to say, probably one of the easiest contractors I've ever worked with. Even the members say they notice the smell in here. It's so much cleaner in here. It's just fresh in here, even though people are working out and getting all sweaty. These are left on 24/7. Every day. Definitely has reduced my maintenance costs. It always still seems to be very clean, and I look above and can't see any mold anywhere or anything like that. So yeah, I believe it's really, really helped. Yeah, okay, it might cost a bit at the front, but I believe it will pay back dividends in the end. I recommend it to anybody. You'd be a fool not to use it.